hello. The drum rolling. Yes, it's Valentine. Valentine is the time of the year to show and express love to your partner and to people around you. This is under year 2022 and promises to be a remarkable and impactful year. Let me tell you, Valentine is here. Don't just relax at home. It's time to take your partner out to relax in a very cool and serene, cozy, luxurious, comfortable home. Okay, so at the Viva Homes, we bring the best luxury homes to you. This time, it's time for you to book your luxury apartment to your partner. With nice decor, everything just sengemenge. It's time for you to just come on board and tell us, yes, I want to book.
If it's what we expected and more.
Yeah.
Would you like to come back here again?
Yeah.
I have also promised that we're going to come back here again.
Trust me, I want to come here again.
Definitely coming back.
Definitely come back here again.
I really look forward to coming back here over and over and over and over and over again.
I never recommend this place to my management.
I would recommend anybody come back to my side.
Go and book your this thing. Go and book your stay. Come and stay. Come and enjoy life. Come and flex.
Thank you for the happiest year of my so wake me
This Valentine promises to be the best. Let me tell you, at the Viva Homes, we have something for you, a great offer for you. And we are giving discounts in our homes from 1 bedroom to 4 bedroom for you to enjoy yourself with your partner. So this time, just have the time, relax, enjoy yourself in a cozy and comfy environment. Okay, our homes are very top-notch homes that are high demand. A lot of people are calling us that, yes, I want to spend time with my partner this Valentine. Call us today or visit us at www.davivahomes.com. We are all around Nigeria.
love to see you shine in the night like the diamond you are. I'm good on the side, so right, just hold me in the dark. No one's got to know what we do. Hit me up when you fall. Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better than that. We don't got high. This is what you like, gotta make. Nothing feels better than this. Say we're just friends, but I swear when nobody's around.